Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua, we have the 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo. I giggle because I can't believe I get to drive cars like this for a living. I can't wrap my head around this. Now, this is the non-S. This is just the turbo. Carbon kick plates, carbon trim, Burmeister sound. Carbon inlays, your cup holders. Stay. Sunroof, which is all right. So, 2019 Turbo, 991.2, PDK, obviously night blue, 540 horsepower, twin turbo, flat 6, paper says 205 for the price. Trust me, that's in my head driving it. Although the price is sticking in my head, mainly because it's a house. This is probably one of the easiest supercars to drive. And yes, I believe the 911 Turbo is a supercar, not a sports car. GTS is right on that border, which I should be driving next. 911 Turbo, it's a supercar. I definitely think it's one of the most capable supercars right out the box. And these are definitely underrated. Turbo S is a whole nother level. Then you have the GT3, GT2 RS, GT3 RS. It's all just crazy. But I've driven 2014 Turbo S, and now, of course, the 19 Turbo never gets old. These never get old. I've even driven a 993 Turbo, a 997 Turbo, a 996 Turbo. Only Turbo I haven't driven is anything older than the 993. And the 992, which that should become, once Porsche Nashua gets one in, I'll take it out. But God, these are such good cars. They are just, I love them. And the thing is, these are definitely understated. People who know Porsche and car guys know what they're looking at. But to the outside eye, they don't look much different than a base 911. But, man, do they drive like a supercar. Oh my God. The thing that's crazy about it is it's relentless power. Oh. mph, mat it. And now, this isn't the fastest one. This is only 540 horsepower. I say only, but keep in mind, daily driver Hellcat, 717 horsepower. So my view of horsepower is completely different now. But whoa. Did you guys hear that? 911 turbo, man, there's nothing like it. You know what's crazy is for the 991.2, every 911 was a turbo. But just the jump up in trim level to turbo changes the game. It really does. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.